And for those of you mining grass and you're using your PC, um, there's been a new update where you can download the grass node and mine 2 times faster. So click on download, you choose your preferable device. So me, I'm using a Windows, and then click on download. Then find where you want to save it. So to use downloads and then save it there. Typically it will take about 3 minutes, but mine will take less because I have a very fast internet connection. So after it's done downloading, you locate it, click here, locate the folder, then you double click to install. This is the folder here, look at where you saved it. So allow it to load. Move on. Yes. So click on next, then agree to the user terms. Yes. When it's done extracting, click on finish. Okay, next, and then finish. So we wait while it opens the app. Okay, so it's downloading. You have to sign in. So hold on while I quickly sign in. Okay, so this is it. You have to enable this. So just after enabling it, hold on, shut up, then go back. So as it is now, I'm connected and I am mining. If you tap on that, you disconnect. This is pretty easier to use. This is my earnings for this season, this epoch. This is my referral link. This is the settings. So it's about that. And let's go back to the grass app, and then go back to store. Grass community node, get this too. Again, do exactly the same thing. So it should download. It should download. Okay. Same place. So I should finish downloading. Let me just set a while. So you'd need file extractor to unzip this file. I'm going to extract it. Then you launch this. Then yes. Yes. You press any key on your keyboard to continue. You have successfully added the necessary config for running Grass Community Node. So this is it. We have successfully added it to our PC. And this is just it. So if you have any issues with it, you can just come and follow these guidelines on their website. I'll drop the link in the description.